Hi, my name's Nikki Pearce. I'm from Vivaldi Flowers, which is a multi-award winning florist in Buckley in North Wales. I chose an apprenticeship because it was suited my lifestyle. I didn't have time to go to college. I could work from home still. I had people that were relying on me, and so it fitted in with my life. The apprenticeship has been absolutely fantastic for me. I didn't think I was going to learn too much after being in the industry for nearly 40 years, and it was amazing what I did learn. The apprenticeship gave me the level 3, so it really updated all of my skills. The support is fantastic. My assessor, Lisa, she was there to answer any questions I had, always there, replies to emails quickly. She gave me a works mobile so I could text her, and whenever she came out, she always had the answers to any problems I had. My time as an apprentice within Cambria has been a real good experience, excellent experience. Like I said, I didn't expect to learn a huge amount, but with the new skills that I've received, it's really made a difference to me and my business. And I think it's really important to keep on top of the modern skills as well as having your traditional ones. If you're keen and will work hard, give the apprenticeship a go. It's absolutely great. Great support, and I highly recommend it. By doing the apprenticeship, I've now got my level 3, which I'm super proud of actually. But I've also been now able to take on an apprentice of my own and be able to help her with the right support. So when she's going through the same things as I have been, only recently, I can now support her, and hopefully she will pass and become a flourishing florist. The reason I employed an apprentice was so that we can actually have a future of qualified and experienced florists. It's such an important point for me for people to go to college, to get the basics, to understand what floristry is about, but then to be able to actually take on an apprentice and have a position there for them where they actually learn what the business is about, the commercial aspect, the speed, the time, and understanding what running a florist business entails.